Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into marketing automation platform, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type the URL of the marketing automation platform into the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the login section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure your details are correct to avoid errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the system to process your credentials. If your information is correct, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter an error message, double-check your email and password. If issues persist, consider reaching out to your support team. Now that you are logged in, explore the platform's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.